guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now, we're going to Wales to do an Easter camping adventure. I'm very sorry I haven't been posting lately, but today we're going to make a new video and a very exciting one. Bye! Right now we're going to find our camping spot where we can stay the night over here. Go! We're just setting the camp ready, and then after we're going to have some scrumptious lunch. Right now my daddy's going to start the fire. It's very dangerous. Yay, fire! Now we can have some yummy food. This is the Easter menu. Cooked ham and scrumptious eggs.
Don't fall into the water.
Right now we're exploring this amazing river. I think we might go over there. Come on, let's go. I climbed the rock, you did not.
Wash my head. One word. It's a movie. One. First word. Fishing. Marching. Singing. Dancing. Partying. Oh, it's a sing movie. No. Fishing. Sitting on a toilet. Sing. I don't know.
Moana.
Moana. Oh, I am Moana.
Now it's your turn. Right now I'm in this really comfortable hammock whilst my dad is going to be cooking some scrumptious super noodles. Right now my dad is cutting up some sausages for the super noodles. We're going to put the sausages in the super noodle to make it delicious. They look delicious. So what are you doing here, Daddy?
Just making the dinner.
Looks
Super
scrumptious.
noodles. Boiling hot water.
To make some scrumptious super noodles. Make sure you get an adult to help with this. It's very dangerous. Now you're going to put it on the hot fire. To cook. Looks scrumptious, Daddy. What are you doing? We're playing this game. It's really good. This game is amazing. Mine. I'm looking down. Okay, 3. Bye guys, it's time for me to go to bed. But stay tuned because we're going to have some more exciting videos to come tomorrow.
What are you eating?
Spam sandwich.
Spam sandwich for breakfast. Is it good?
Yeah.
Good.
We had our breakfast. Now it's time to roast some lovely marshmallows. Right now my daddy's packing up our campsite, and then we're going to take a shower, and then we are going off to the seaside! Woohoo! Seaside's my favourite part of the day. And then probably after the seaside we're going to go home. And that's the end of our adventure!